Windows are an essential part of your home's structure, providing protection, insulation, and curb appeal. In Bartow, Florida, where temperatures can soar in the summer and dip in the winter, your windows play a critical role in maintaining comfort and energy efficiency. Over time, windows can experience wear and tear, making it necessary to replace them. Here are the top 5 signs that you may need window replacement in Bartow, Florida. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacing is feeling drafts or air leaks. If you notice cold air sneaking in during the winter or warm air coming in during the summer, your windows may no longer be sealed properly. This is especially problematic in a climate like Bartow's, where summers can get uncomfortably hot, and winters, although mild, can still be chilly. Drafts can make your heating and cooling systems work harder, leading to higher energy bills. If your windows are drafty, it's a clear indication that they are no longer performing as they should, and a replacement could save you money on energy costs in the long run. Condensation between glass pane. If you notice condensation building up between the panes of glass in your windows, it's a sign that the seal between the 2 panes has failed. In Bartow's humid climate, this can be especially common, as moisture can get trapped inside the glass. When this happens, not only is it unsightly, but it also means that the window is losing its insulating properties. This could lead to both energy loss and a decrease in your home's comfort level. Condensation between panes is usually an indicator that it's time for window replacement to restore the window's function and appearance. Visible damage or cracks. Over time, windows can suffer from physical damage due to impacts from storms, debris, or even just the natural wear and tear of age. In Bartow, where heavy rain and occasional storms are common, this can be especially true. Cracks, chips, or holes in the window panes can compromise both the security and energy efficiency of your home. These types of damages can also make your windows harder to open and close, leaving them stuck or difficult to secure. If you notice any damage to the window itself or the frame, it's a good idea to get your windows inspected for potential replacement. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If you're struggling to open or close your windows, it's time to assess their condition. Windows that are hard to operate may have issues with the frame, sash, or other components. In some cases, the frame could have warped due to moisture or age, causing the window to stick. In Florida's humid environment, this issue can occur more frequently. Not only does this compromise your home's ventilation, but it can also be a safety hazard, especially in an emergency when you may need to open a window quickly. Replacing windows that are difficult to open or close is a smart investment in both safety and functionality. Increased energy bills. Your windows play a crucial role in keeping your home's temperature regulated. If you've noticed an increase in your energy bills, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer providing the insulation they once did. Older windows, especially single-pane ones, can allow heat to escape in the winter and enter in the summer, making it harder for your HVAC system to maintain the desired indoor temperature. In Bartow, Florida, where the temperature fluctuations can be extreme, This inefficiency can quickly add up to higher energy costs. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient, double-pane windows can help reduce your energy usage and save you money over time. Conclusion: your windows are more than just a way to look outside. They are vital components of your home's energy efficiency, security, and comfort. If you've noticed any of these signs, drafts, condensation, damage, difficulty opening or closing, or rising energy bills, it's time to consider window replacement in Bartow, Florida. Upgrading to newer, more efficient windows can not only improve the look and feel of your home but also help you save on energy costs. Replacing old windows can seem like a big investment, but the long-term benefits are well worth it for your comfort and peace of mind.